Do you know where chili originally came from? Most people think it's from Asia, but that's not true. Chili peppers first grew in Central and South America over 6,000 years ago. After Christopher Columbus' voyages, they spread around the world and became an important part of many cuisines. Especially in India, here is an interesting fact. Chilies come in many colors, including green, red, yellow, and even purple. And a simple gardening tip for chilies: chili plant grow in best in full sunlight, well draining soil, so avoid overwatering for healthy growth.